Hi everyone, I'm Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the second week of December 2020, that is the 8th to the 14th of December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Libra. For the Librans, this week is going to be somewhat of a tiring week where you will have a lot of things to attend. You might feel a little bit bogged down, tired. You might feel that the week is going on and on and on, and that things are becoming a little bit very monotonous. Things might actually require more energy from you than usual. So there are chances you might feel a little bit more tired than usual for the entire second week of December 2020. Moving on to the space of work. At your space of work, you will feel very well supported and understood by your colleagues and your seniors. Progresses actually very smoothly, but there are chances that you will be overloaded by your work and your responsibilities in your workspace. However, the loving cooperation and understanding of your colleagues will see to it that you successfully complete your tasks by the end of the week without having to take the entire load on yourself. You will be certainly helped by people at work. So that's absolute great news. It's very encouraging. Moving on to the area of finances, be very careful that you don't make any major financial commitments to people, particularly for the second week of December 2020, because there are chances that you will have your own things to look after, and even if you don't want to, there is a possibility that you might not be able to honor the financial commitment or the promises made to people by you. This may cause a little bit of bitterness or souring of relationships because you are not able to complete your financial commitments or promises. So particularly for the second week of December 2020, see to it that you refrain from making any major financial commitments. Moving on to the space of relationships. Well, relationships might need a little bit tweaking and a little bit of twisting. This is because sometimes old habits and old patterns can actually make the relationship very stale, stagnated, and just the way it was 10 years back. So, if you wish to put some new life into your relationships, you should be ready to let the old go out so that the new can come in. So, basically, it's a week where you will have to bring in some really good fresh changes in your relationship. It could be a certain habit, it could be a mental attitude, it could be the way you speak, or let's say a place you visit outside. Get in some fresh changes so that the relationship revives, feels nice, fresh, and very pleasant for the both of you. Moving on to the space of health. The Librans for the second week of December 2020 are in for a very pleasant surprise. So the health is going to be absolutely wonderful with no hiccups, physical, mental, and emotional. So life just progresses as usual, no issues with the health at all. So I'll be absolutely open to receiving your responses and your experiences about how you felt was the experience of your second week of December 2020. Please feel free to share any experiences that you've had or any experiences that you've resonated with in the comments box. You could also DM me personally and I'll be absolutely happy to answer them. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.